Hey guys, my name is Scott Anderson. I'm here with Start Funnels and my boys, Watson and Winston. We're just waiting for my wife. She's in the store. Today we're going to be chatting about affiliate marketing on YouTube, why you need to start. So let's chat about why I'm bringing this up, this topic. First of all, let's talk about the big dogs and where are they, okay? So Russell Brunson, he's part of ClickFunnels. Ty Lopez, Gary V, Nathan Lucas, a freedom influencer, Dan Brock, the deadbeat super affiliate. Guys, all of these guys have probably over 150,000 subscribers, and they are on YouTube. What are they doing on YouTube? I'm sure a lot of them are doing affiliate marketing. Sam Ovens is another one. Lot of big dogs. ODI Productions. All of these guys are on YouTube and they are crushing it. And there's a reason why. They're spending a lot of time filming, creating content, making tags, editing videos. Hey, hi. And so why are they on there? Because it works. It's evergreen content, okay? So you create a video, it saves, it's indexed into Google and to YouTube, and it's saved on there. So if you get the right keywords, the right content, you can follow trends, post videos about it, put a link, and if people click on the link and pay for whatever's on there, you get paid. It's an awesome, simple business model. It's not easy. It's not a fly-by-night thing. You gotta stay consistent, you gotta stay steady, and it's not easy work too. Like I just mentioned, you gotta create the video, you gotta create content. But I'm mentioning this because if any of you want to make money online, this is the opportunity right here in 2019 and beyond. So, how to get started. If you've never done YouTube before, you've got to get on there and start. So number one, start. Two, doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, just get content on there and do a limit. So, and try to do a specific amount and be consistent. So think about it weekly. Do you want to do 1 video a week? Do you want to do 5 videos a week? Whatever it may be, get something out there and find products. You can find products. So that's another big question. Where can you find products? If you follow my YouTube channel, if you don't already, please subscribe so you can find out where to find more offers. But I've got an offer below. It's called the HTA program. It teaches you all about how to do YouTube marketing. And then also you can re-promote the program, and it's high ticket. You can earn a great income by re-promoting HTA. It teaches you how to do high ticket sales for all sorts of stuff. And it goes into paid marketing, etc. But one of the greatest things about YouTube marketing is you can start out for free, okay? It's organic. So if you don't have a budget, that's okay. Just get a camera, like a smartphone, and shoot, like I'm doing right now. And then it's cool because you can actually scale. If you want to go big on YouTube, you can do paid ads, and you can boost like a video like this that I'm filming now, get more views, more traffic, more clicks, more sales, more commissions for you. So guys, I'm just saying all this because I believe in the system. I haven't done a video yet this week because I've been a little busy and a little lazy, and I just wanted to get this out there. It's a motivation for me to do this. Dan Brock inspired me to do this video because he talks a lot about this. So look up the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, look up his most recent video. He talks about this very thing, that it's a love-hate for him, that he loves making videos because of the passive income, but it is hard, not easy to do. So guys, jump onto YouTube, create content on there, publish it, and I will see you in the next video.